7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, we are at our third home, Home Depot, again. We are trying to finish up our pavers, and so we are getting more pavers, and we are getting our delivery of pavers coming in to a back van near you.
7 Sigma Off-Grid.
You cute, you fine. You's a hot dog.
I'm a hot dog.
You's a hot dog. Come on here.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I got my husband in the background. Today we are going to do an unboxing of our EG4 rack.
Battery rack.
Battery rack.
We're not really gonna unbox it. We're gonna take it upstairs and install it.
He just messed up my whole intro. But anyway, we're going to do that today. Also, we are going to finish up our pavers around the house because we're trying to make sure that we are preventing any type of erosions on the side of the house. So we're going to do that today. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Bye.
Thought it was cool. Now it's too hot.
Yes.
Did you tell the people why we dressed like this?
Okay, so we got hoodies on today because
It was chilly up here today, but it's not chilly anymore. It's our Halloween costumes.
oh, this is a
We are cosplaying as Antifa. And we're stealing some stuff.
do not listen to.
Come on.
We are not. That's so wrong. Why it look like we stealing something?
Antifa to the rescue. You ready?
Well, we're not really good thieves.
Yeah, I'm definitely coming out of this.
Me too.
Okay, hang.
You unboxing it there?
Yeah, we're just gonna carry just this in the house. I'm not taking all this in the house.
Oh, this looks like a safe.
Yep, it's like a battery safe.
Ooh, that's a big box that I knew can tear up.
This is the front. EG4.
Ooh. We have our EG4 battery rack. And what do we say? Shiny.
See, you know how it opens?
No.
No.
Maybe it might have a key. It looks like it has a key.
Yeah, where's the key?
It wasn't in the box.
Oh.
Ooh.
Super shiny.
Nice.
Each battery goes on each shelf. I don't know what the hell this is, but we'll find out when we get it inside.
You need me?
Yes, ma'am. Teamwork makes the dream work.
You got me doing way too much stuff. I need to get paid.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Saves my back.
How much you paying?
I just couldn't resist. That was perfect.
I wasn't expecting you. That's so wrong. Okay, so now the hard part begins. The challenge is getting that rack up those flight of stairs, which is very narrow. And yeah.
We can do it.
We can do it.
Put your mind to it.
We're going to see how this works out. So,
Barely.
okay, wait. That houseway, how are we going to do that?
My calculations is terrible.
He don't know how to measure.
Took it in half. Yeah, it should fit. It should fit. It's just this.
But how are we going to do that?
Don't push you on my foot.
Oh, sorry. You got to open your feet out?
Nope.
Oh, shit. Sorry. Is it not on the stair?
It's on my foot.
Okay.
We're gonna roll it.
Okay.
Now I need to be where you are. I'm about to crawl to jump down there.
Do not do that.
I need to be where you are because I can push this up.
I can push it. Just.
Okay, let me get around you.
Okay, so how you going to do that?
Hold on. I'm about to hit this windowsill. Yep, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Mr. Andy stuck right here.
Oh.
I need to clear that.
Oh, crap. So you need to go to your left. That's what you were saying, but we can't because this is here. Shoot. Don't tell me we got to take this back down.
It might not come back down.
Oh, gosh.
I need to get over here. This little out, and we will be good. I'm crushing something.
Oh, yeah, because I meant to tell you that the
blinds.
The blinds. I meant to tell you that too. I was like, get the blinds. Okay. That caused us a lot of problems getting it up here, but we did get it up here. We had to take off a few components from the window and the stairs.
The window trimming.
The window trimming and the little
The knobs, the railing knobs.
Stair railing knobs. We had to take that off to get it up here. And once he did that, he was able to roll it up, but we finally got it up here by the hair of our chinny chin chin, but it did give us a challenge. Yeah. Wait, where you plan on putting this? Right here?
I don't know. Scoot this somewhere. Where you are.
So I need to move, but I'm comfortable.
Move.
I was comfortable. I need a break after all that work. Come on, Bubba. Can you put it in this little cubby hole here?
Too big.
Hey, let's try it. Can you try?
Tilting, getting underneath, and then tilting back.
Yep. All right, look. Ta-da!
It's not earthquake safe.
No, it's not. I don't think our whole house is earthquake safe.
That was a nice little workout. On to the next workout.
That's thicker than the first one we had. It's crooked. You need help?
Nope.
Getting that exercise. That's why you don't go to the gym anymore?
Yep.
Because this is the exercise.
This is the exercise. So tired of these damn pallets.
You're a pallet hoarder. Why were you hoarding pallets anyway?
I'm about to take them back.
Where are you going to take them back to?
Back to the city.
I'm going to call you the pallet hoarder. Okay, so how are we going to do this? I feel like
Don't
we're
do
always...
what I did.
Huh?
Don't do this.
I feel like we're always getting ourselves into some mess.
Lucy and Ricky.
Lucy, I'm home. This is toxic. It stinks. Why are we having toxic material around our house?
Because the world is toxic.
The world is toxic?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll pull it out first. Right?
Can't. The wind gonna blow it back closed.
Oh.
Get what I'm saying?
Oh, I have a rock.
Yep. Something heavy.
Okay, well, it ain't a rock. It just, never mind.
That's what I'm saying. Grab one of them bags.
It just broke.
Throw one of those bags on the corner.
You act like this bag is just like, oh, just throw one of these bags.
Payback.
This is heavy.
Exactly. Payback from last time. Just grab it. Just go. Take the battery out. Just set it on the table.
I don't remember saying that. I don't remember that. I don't recall. Why I gotta grab bags? Okay, now you go grab a bag. Or two. Grab two bags at the same time.
I'm not doing that. Too old. Got too much work to do and not trying to get injured. No, thank you.
Yeah, I'm not trying to have you injured either.
I want to be done with pavers.
You and me both.
Sick of this.
I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. We should be bending from our knees.
Look at here, yoga.
I'm just saying. I'm just telling you what I learned. We learned this in PE when we were younger, but also they teach you that in yoga as well.
Oh, you Valaswami. You're right, Valaswami.
These are life lessons that's going to help you in the long run.
If you don't come on here, we're going to be doing this.
Look at see.
For the long run.
All right, I just need one of your hefty knives. so I can start slicing. Not the big one. Now, how you open this?
Push the button on the side.
At least the wind is blowing. It feels nice. So as we are working, or while we're working, Anu decides to pee on a rock. A rock or a tree can get it, huh? You gonna work and pee?
I'll have to.
Look at the little spot.
That's where the line is, right?
That's where the line is. The line is right here. So, yes. It's yes.
It's yes what?
Yes, that's where it is. Yes. Right there. Yep.
After he pissed on everything.
He peed on that too, huh?
Marking his territory everywhere. Where the damn line at again?
Right
I
here.
hope you're feeling it.
Right here.
I hope you're feeling the right line. You sure?
Yeah. You can feel it. You see?
I can feel it.
And if you look up, it actually lines up with.
See, you don't feel it either.
No, it's right here.
So it's that green line.
It's right here. Well, not. It's. You can feel
See?
it. It's right here. Look. You could literally feel it. There's a huge indentation.
I can feel it.
Right there. That's why I was like, you can feel it. It's an indentation right there. You gonna put the little rock there?
Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm.
More or less.
It's always something. Do not pee on anything.
Looking out from my bedroom window, got to thinking back to when we were in school. I used to give you my milk money to impress you. I knew you were the one back then. Time has passed and we become one. Planted a few seeds and gave them all our love. Yes, we had our ups
Okay,
and
that's
downs.
uneven.
Very. It's a big hole down here.
Yeah.
Alright, it's gonna be alright. Yeah. Alright, think about the blessings that we had all this time. Yes, it's alright. Alright. Yes, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Think about the blessings that we had all this time.
Yeah, because that looks super duper crooked. The ground is crooked.
It is. It's a humongous mound right here, a big rock.
You hear that? The bird.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a hawk?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's two hawks. I know they better not try to eat Anu.
That's what it looks like.
They're swerving around. I will fight a hawk.
Think about the blessings that we had all this time. Think about the blessings we had all this time. Alright. Yes, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Think about the blessings that we
So
had.
this is what we looking like. So far on uneven terrain, and this is what you get on a rocky piece of property. We have some issues with our pavers. Our land is extremely slopey. It's extremely rocky, and yeah. Can somebody come help us, please?
We don't need no help.
My husband says we don't need any help. Okay.
We're messing up on our own just fine. This one and this one.
So two of them right now. Just
And this one is really not going to be fixable.
why? Because it's on a
mound.
mound. Yeah. Okay, try.
Yep, cool. You can tell when it lands. You hear it because it's like boom.
Yeah.
It sounds level. Boom.
I don't know if level has a sound, but okay.
It does. It's the ground. It's like level.
It says level.
Level. Like this right here says
Unlevel.
unlevel. Level. Unlevel.
I'm just happy that I'm done with putting pavers out. I'm tired of pavers. I'm tired of pavers. Okay, guys, this is what our pavers are looking like. It's a little
Jacked up.
jacked up a little bit.
Not a little, it's a lot jacked up.
Okay, well, it's a lot jacked up, but we are going to fix them. We just wanted to at least get them down. We have a leveling issue because we are on a slope and rocky terrain. But we did get them around the entire house.
Except for the front.
Except for the front. Are we going to do the front?
I don't know what we're going to do with the front.
Well, we may do the front.
To be figured out.
To be figured out. But we did get them on both sides.
And the back.
And the back. And I'll walk around the back as well. So we did get all that done. We do have to put sand in between the cracks on the other side, the opposite side. And we still have to do some leveling.
At least them damn pavers are out of my van. So that's a win.
We're done with the pavers. Not all the way done, but we're done putting all the pavers down. And we do have to put some sand in between, and we still have to do some leveling of the pavers as well. But we're both just tired of the pavers. We're sick of it. We're going to go on to the next project. And what is the next project? Maybe
finishing these pavers. Sorry. Putting sand in between and leveling them.
All right. Bye, guys.
More pavers later.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.